Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can find a stitched video of a TikTok video. And what you're going to do is you're going to press the search button on the top right corner of your screen. You are then going to type in the word stitch with @ and type in the username. So I'm just going to type in Taylor Swift, and then you are just going to press search. And if I click on this video, as you can see, this is a video, like a stitched video of Taylor Swift. There's another one over here, stitch with Taylor Swift. There's also another one over here, stitch with Taylor Swift. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!